Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu reports, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu along with a contingent of companions of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the company of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam went towards Ibn Sayyad till they found him near the knolls of Banu Maghala, playing with the children, though he was not a child, rather near the edge of puberty. He did not identify anyone till the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam struck his back with his hand. Then the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to him, "Do you testify that I am Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam?" Ibn Sayyad looked at him and said, "I testify that verily you are the apostle of unlettered people." Thereafter Ibn Sayyad said to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "Do you testify that I am Allah's apostle?" The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to him, "I believe in Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and all his apostles." Then the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam inquired of him, "What do you see?" He said, "I got true as well as false news." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Then your news is dubious." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "I keep something secret for you. Tell me about it." Ibn Sayyad replied, "That is ad-dukh." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Be off with you. You cannot cross your limit." Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, allow me to sever his neck." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "If he is Dajjal, Antichrist, you cannot overpower him. And if he is not Dajjal, then there is no good for you in killing him." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3055.